This diagram, anybody have any doubts in the yesterday's diagram? In real time, ETL process will be like that only. You will be accessing the data to the ETL from different databases. Okay, this data comes from different applications. Okay, web applications, mobile applications, and the SAP applications. Like that, you will be getting the data into the different environments. Okay, data comes and sit in the your RDBMSs. Okay, your databases. Okay, or you are getting the some data from some flat files. Okay, flat files means CSV file, Parquet file, like that, JSON file, like that. Data will be generated and comes and sit in the your databases. Okay, so to do the analysis things and all, you have to keep this all data in enter your organization data in at one place. Okay, that is called stage environment. Okay, on top of this one you can perform the any transformations means you have to write the some queries to do the some cleaning activities you have to taken care. What are all the cleaning activities comes? Okay, so like so if you are getting the data from different databases means you may get some null values. Okay, or you may replace with some null values with some default values. Okay, and there will be some additional spaces might be added from one place to another places. Okay, like that things will be happen. Okay, not only these things, there will be some other things. Okay, let's assume somebody purchased, somebody look into the Amazon website, but they are not purchased, but they are in pending. Okay, those details you want for them only, you want to send the notifications your payment is missing, is there any problem? Okay, if you are placing some order, you are not done any payment. Okay, just you can come out. Okay, within seconds you will get the message or mail. How they will send? Okay, the transaction is in pending, so these people may not maybe facing some issues. Okay, how they can identify directly? So first it will go to some your RDBMS and they will send the trigger, they will trigger the notification. Okay, this person is not completing the transaction. Okay, something happen, or what is the problem? Maybe he might felt this one is having huge means higher price than other websites and all, or maybe some technical issue, or maybe some payment issues. Okay, so there will be some problems, just telecaller will call you and you can get that information. Okay, so if the pricing and all means, maybe they will try to give offer sometimes. Okay, they will bargain sometimes, not with Amazon, just I am telling any organization means. Okay, so directly how they will analyze the things and all means, just simply by filtering the data, whoever not completing the transactions. Okay, those details they will consider, and for them they will send the notifications. Okay, so here they will cleaning activities, joining things. Okay, if the data is coming from multiple tables. Okay, I want to display employee name along with employee details along with the department details. So what you have to do, you have to join the tables. Okay, employee table and department table, you have to join, you have to combine the both the tables and need to select the data. Okay, and splitting. Okay, you have to split the data into multiple parts. Okay, you are having some view data, but in that not required all the columns, you want to split the data into multiple. Okay, let's assume you are getting the data uh, means normalized denormalized data. Denormalized data means in that maybe having duplicates data. Okay, so what you have to take and care, you have to split into multiple tables. Okay, just timing you can understand. Denormalization means will be having duplicate data. Normalized table means will be having in the unique records. Okay, and you want to sort the data. Okay, these type of transformations will be done in the transformation layer. Okay, this is comes where you will do that one, staging table. Okay, staging tables you will do that one. Next, finally data will be loading to the your analysis table, target table. Okay, in this diagram anybody have any doubts? Yesterday already I have told, just this process I explained for the understanding the stages. What is stage environment? For that only I have explained this topic. Oh, sorry, sorry. Yeah, I'm. Let me share my screen. Okay, is my screen is visible now? Okay, these are all extraction means you will get the data from different databases. Okay, while extracting time itself you can do the some higher level filters and all. Okay, I want to filter only India's data. How I can filter? Simply you can take select star from orders table where country equal to India, like that you can do the major filters. Okay, how you can extract? There will be some tools to extract the things. Okay, you will be connecting to the any integrate informatica tool, ETL tool. Okay, either informatica, Matillion or data stage, like that you are having the so many tools to extract the data into the stage environments and all. Okay, so they will connect your RDBMS and it will access the your data. Okay, and it will lift to the staging environment, or you can do yourself also. I am getting some noise from somebody. Teja, still I am getting noise. Yeah, okay, thank you. Okay, there will be some mechanisms to extract the data things and all. Okay, directly they can able to generate the data files by using. Okay, if we are considering the Oracle means there will be one procedure. Okay, to generate the data files, your table data as a one file. Okay, UTL file package or spooling the data. Okay, you can convert your table data into CSV or some other with some other delimiters and all. You can generate the file. Okay, if you are considering the teradata and all means the teradata exporter is there. Okay, your table data will be converted to the some file CSV format or some tab delimiter file formats. Okay, like that it will generate and it will make the file. Okay, these files you can take into the local. Okay, direct on premises or cloud environment, or through some other tool directly you can inject the data into the your analysis environment. Analysis environment here is with in here your Snowflake. Okay, you can inject the data into the your analysis environment. Analysis will not done in your RDBMS and all. If the data is very small you can do, but in RDBMS and all you cannot do the analysis and all. Okay, you have to use the other environments for analysis purpose. Okay, like Snowflake, Hive, Teradata, and like that you are having so many environments to do the ETL things and all. Okay, so here wherever you are exporting the data into the ETL, right? So that we can say stage environment. Initially you have to you have to keep the data, your entire data means your raw data in the staging environment. Okay, this you are clear, right? Everybody, what is stage environment? Just confirm that one. Is any doubt in the stage environment? Again I have repeated today. Why? Because it is a very important. Well, anyway, I will explain one more time while explaining the projects and all. But you have while explaining the topics, you have it makes sense for you. Okay, if you know the ETL process. Otherwise, what is stage? If I started from stages onwards, means don't know why we will use the stage environment and all. So before that, you should know the thing why we will use the stage environment, where we are getting the data into the stage environment. Okay, that and all you should know. That's why I have explained. Everybody is clear, right? What is stage environment? Guys, you have to respond. Class should be interactive. You should not go one way. Okay? Okay, thank you. Next, there are different stages are there in the Snowflake. Okay, like internal stage and external stage. Internal stage means if you are keeping your staging data inside the snowflake, okay, inside the snowflake means, then you can say that is internal stage. Okay, if you are storing the data, okay, if you are storing your after extraction, if you are storing your data outside the snowflake, then that is called external stage. Outside the stage means what are all the consider, we can anybody guess? Already I have explained this topic one while explaining the introduction topic. External stage means outside the snowflake, but snowflake is a cloud environment. Okay, how you can maintain the external stage? So easily it will integrate with any cloud environments, right? Okay, a GCP, AWS, Azure. Okay, you can keep your data outside of the snowflake. Okay, of course, internally it is using cloud environment, but still you want to keep your data. Okay, let's assume business process how it will be now. We'll take one paint. Okay, real time business. Okay, okay, this is some different applications. Okay, your organization business is running on mobile applications, web applications, SAP applications, like that. On different applications it is running. Okay, so here you are maintaining the stage environment and all. Okay, this after that your data will be stored into the some other tables. This will be used for analysis, suggestions, okay, or payment details issues. Okay, to do analyzed data will be there, you are storing in some other place. Okay, while exporting this one you are getting some issues. Okay, so this ETL diagram you understood, right? So in this stage environment you are doing the cleaning activities, everything. Okay, this in this stage environment if you are maintaining in your system, then we can say on premises environment. Okay, if you are maintaining this stage environment in any of the cloud, okay, that is external stage. Okay, in snowflake we need to consider that one as the external stage. Okay, you can maintain the stages in outside of the snowflake. Outside of the snowflake externally, how we can maintain the stage means only you have to use the any cloud environment. AWS means it will be stored temporary storage purpose. S3 you can use S3 buckets and all. Azure means Azure blob storage you can use, and GCP means GCP proc you can use for the staging environments and all. Okay, that is the external stages. Next, internal stage. Internal stage means inside the snowflake. Okay, there are different types of stages are there internally. Okay, that is user stage, table stage, name stage. Okay, user stage means if snowflake user, for each and every user by default user stage will be there. Okay, how you can display that stages environment and all means just simply you can. Okay, let me open that snowflake environment. Yeah, meantime, can anybody tell me anybody facing the installing the SnowSQL? I hope all everybody is created installed your SnowSQL in your systems. Okay, what is the account here? Till here your account details. Okay, minus a account, and you have to pass the username as well. Username is mine BRS 1808 2022. Okay, already I have installed SnowSQL in my system. Okay, I am using. Okay, let me ping this. Okay, again I am pinging in chart. Okay, this URL you can use for the classic UI. By default nowadays showing the this one snow sites UI. So that is not user friendly. Okay, if you want to get your UI like this miss, okay, you have to use the URL. Okay, just you can change your account ID. Okay, till this place. Okay, whatever you are having, the just you can change. Okay, cloud environment and times regional and your account ID. Okay, just you can change this one. Just you can use the same URL. You will get the UI like this classic UI. Okay, password. You will be connected to the SnowSQL. Okay, here I have not selected any UI and any the warehouses and all. Just go and check. Okay, first you can go with the use. What is first use role? Okay, what is the role? Sysadmin you have to use. Okay, by default you can try with the sysadmin role. Let going forward we can use with the other custom roles and all. Okay, in real time you will get only custom roles only. You won't get access as a sysadmin role. Okay, now I want to display the show warehouses. How I can display? You have to use the show warehouses. Okay, just you can type. Okay, show warehouses. You will get the things. Okay, okay, these are all the warehouses you are having. So you can use the warehouse. Use warehouse. Okay, DWH Snowflake. DWH. Down you will be display. It will be displaying the your warehouses names and all. Okay, just you can use that one. You will see after selecting after using keyword you will get the warehouse. First one will be the warehouse name, next one will be the database. By default schema name you will get. Okay, show databases. Okay, see by default it is you are having three databases already. Yesterday, day before yesterday we have created, right? So simply you can specify that use database. Okay, and now you can go the db underscore database name snd. Okay, now see now your database name got replaced here. Now still public schema is there. Okay, third one will be the public. Okay, if you want you can choose that one also, default schema. Okay, schemas. Anybody have any doubts in the schemas, databases? What is database? What is schema? What is table? Hmm? Use schema. Next, simply you can use DWH schema. Just you can Google it and you can get that information. What is database? What is schema? Why we will use for the schemas and all? Okay, why we will use for schemas and all? Just I want to create the employee table in another organization. Okay, I am using one schema. Okay, let's open any UI itself. I will show you that one. Okay, here these are all the databases. Okay, DWH database is there, DB SNB is there. Okay, to make the difference. Okay, here also here I am having the EMP. Okay, let's take this one is dev environment, this database QA environment, this one is the prod environment. I want to create EMP table in all the environments. Okay, if you are creating in one databases means it will consider only for that. Okay, but if you want to create in multiple uses means just you have to specify that you have to organize your. Okay, to make the duplicates. Okay, to differ your dev environment, prod environment, like that means you have to create the schemas and databases. And there will be some here databases means here don't consider only prod, QA and dev environments. It will be like finance department, account department, like that you have to consider. Okay, they're also having employee table. Okay, and I have to utilize that EMP tables and all. Okay, just by specifying the database name, schema name and table name you can able to access the things and all. Okay, let's come to our topic. Okay, stages. Okay, let me open the stages. Okay, there is no stages actually. Let me create. Okay, create stage. Okay, by default you don't need no need to create the user stages and all. By default you will be having the for each and every user stage environment will be there. How you can display? Okay, simply you can specify the list. For other things and all show will not work. Okay, show schema, show database. But if you want to display the stages and all means, you have to specify the list at the date. Okay, just you have to specify the tilde symbol at the date. Tilde symbol means it's a user schema. Okay, under this one you are having the metadata. Okay, each user is considering having the metadata. Under that there will be default stages will be there. Okay, these things and all you no need to create. Okay, by default it will be there in every database. Okay, that is the user table. Okay, let's assume you are having emp table. Okay, where you are having the table, let me get from here. Okay, which schema I am using. For each and every table also by default stage will be there. If you want to load the data from external sources, okay, first you have to load the data into the stage environment. Okay, so DWH schema, right? Here I am using the DWH schema. Okay, let me change use database DB DWH DB. Okay, here you can go show tables. Okay, this will select from the your public schema. Okay, you have to choose the particular schema exactly. Okay, where you are having the employee table. Okay, you are having the DWH schema. Use DWH use schema DWH schema. Okay, now you can show tables. You will get the all the tables. Okay, now you are having the emp data. Okay, now if you go and check for your each and every table, you will be having the separate uh, stage for each table. How you can get, you have to use the list at the date percentage. Okay, list at the date percentage, you have to specify your table name emp. Okay, now there is no schema. Actually there will be stage. Okay, create stage. Okay, stage name you can give. Okay, emp underscore stage. Okay, it will create the table. Okay, show previous commands. How you can get it? List, right? List at the date percentage empty. For each and every stage we will be having. Okay, list stages, list at the date, right? Okay. For user stage you will be displaying tilde symbol. Rarely people will use the for staging and table stage and user stages and all. Just you have to use the at the date percentage symbol. That one only. I will show you that table stage and name stage. Okay, name stage means you have created the things and all. Okay, create replace stage. Okay, you can give the any internal stage. Okay, naming things. Okay, why you will use for the name stage? Okay, I want to mount that one stage environment. Okay, to the your snowflake. Okay, you have to create the name stage. Okay, by using create or replace stage, your this one. Okay, at the date. Okay, if you are loading the data into the stages, you can. Okay, list will do the your files in the stages. Okay, sorry, actually if you loaded any data into the these stages, it will display the files and all. Okay, percentage at the date percentage and all. Okay, how you can load the data means, let me take one example. One employee data. Yesterday I have copied something. Okay, let me take one data file from the Google. CSV file. Just you can download and you can upload your database. Okay, I am having this file and how you can upload the files. Data loading and all you can do with the put command only. Okay, how you can do that one? Put. Okay, you have to specify the location. Okay, and you have to specify the your stage. Okay, what is your stage? You can specify stage name is at the rate emp, right? Okay, let's this one. Okay, you have to pass this one in the single quotes. Here you have to pass the star means all the files. If you are having multiple files means you have to specify that one. Okay, what is our stage name? Emp stage command. Sorry guys, I didn't practice yesterday. Rarely we can use that one. Okay. Today I will explain theory. Tomorrow onwards we'll do the practical things. Okay. CSV and we have to pass the file name. File name is this one, right? CSV.csv. Okay. The EMP stage. Invalid source. Okay. Put is the keyword to load the data into on-premises to the your stage environment. Okay. Something wrong. Okay. This is correct only. Something I am doing mistake here. I am not sure. Actually, this should work. Only local file URL is allowed. Okay, guys. I will explain tomorrow how we can load the data into the stages and all. Just a timing, you can understand the what is the different types of stages in your Snowflake and all. Okay, this is internal stage. Okay, having user stage and a table stage and a name stage. Name stage means you have to create by default user stage and table stage for each and every table stage will be there for each and every user stage will be there. Okay, you can load the data into the user stage. Okay, whatever you are having rights on the data, just you can display the files and all by using list at the rate tilde. Okay, tomorrow we will load the data and we can showcase that how we can display the files and how we can copy the data files into the Snowflake. Okay, tomorrow we can see. Actually, it is not configured that one. That's why it is giving error. Actually, okay. Tomorrow I will show the configuration and how we can display the files and all. Okay. Next, here to copy the data and all means by using copy command. Copy into the just you can create the table. Okay. Here you are having the table right. ETL. Okay, here you are having the table, final table. Okay, by copy the data from here, copy into table. From you can select the your stage environment file. Okay, from this stage environment you can inject the data into the Snowflake. Okay, let's see tomorrow that topic. External stage means you will be creating the outside the stage, outside the Snowflake environment. Like you have to create the AWS account and Azure account. or GCP account. You can create any one of the cloud, and there you can create the one location. Okay, you need to integrate the system with you integrate your S3 buckets or Azure Blob Storage with your Snowflake. Okay, for that you have to create first integration point, storage integration. Then you have to create the you have to authenticate that one. Okay, there are multiple ways are there. Tomorrow we'll create the one Snowflake Azure account and we'll explain the topic, external stage and how we can load the data into the other stages and all. We'll display explain tomorrow. Today I'm facing some issue with loading the data. Somewhere some configuration issue. Syntax actual syntax is this one only. Put and you have to pass the your file name and your stage environment. Okay, which stage you want to store. Okay, this should be there in your internal stage. It's already there, but somewhere it is problem is there. I will check and let you know tomorrow. Okay, sorry guys. Actually, I should practice before this one, but I missed that one. I thought it will work, but due to some issue, I will reinstall my Snowflake and SnowSQL in my system, and I will let you know tomorrow. Okay.